Ever wondered, why is YouTube taking away my subscribers? It's a common query, especially when you notice that, seemingly without reason, your subscriber count has dwindled. The answer lies in YouTube's policy of removing inactive subscribers. YouTube performs a routine cleanup of inactive accounts. This means that any inactive accounts subscribed to your channel will be removed, resulting in a decrease in your subscriber count. It's not a random purge, but rather a systematic process to maintain the authenticity of the platform. Now, you might be thinking, but those were my subscribers. It's worth noting that the subscribers being removed are inactive accounts. These are not the loyal viewers tuning into your every upload, but rather accounts that are fake or haven't been used in a long time. YouTube defines inactive not as subscribers who've stopped watching your videos, but rather as accounts that are not in use at all. So, if a subscriber isn't watching your videos but is active on other channels, they're not considered inactive. However, if the account is dormant or is a bot, it's deemed inactive. A large portion of these inactive subscribers that get removed are in fact fake accounts. Some creators inflate their subscriber count with such accounts, which is a clear violation of YouTube's terms of service. YouTube regularly removes these deceptive accounts, making the platform a fairer place for every creator. If you've seen a significant drop in your subscriber count, it's likely due to a purge of these inactive subscribers. But remember, this is not a setback. These subscribers were not contributing to your channel's growth or engagement. A large subscriber count might look impressive, but it's the active, engaged viewers that truly drive a channel's success. When faced with the panic of losing subscribers, my advice is always the same. If you've artificially inflated your subscriber count, stop. If not, keep doing what you're doing. Channels that engage in practices like sub-for-sub often see a dramatic decrease in subscribers. That's because many of the subscribers gained this way are fake or inactive accounts. When YouTube deletes these accounts, the subscriber count drops. However, if you've built your subscriber base organically and your count drops, it simply means that some accounts were inactive. In the grand scheme of things, it's better to have a smaller number of active subscribers than a large base of inactive ones. In conclusion, don't let a decreasing subscriber count deter you. Remember, the true measure of success on YouTube isn't the subscriber count, but the engagement and loyalty of your viewers. Keep creating, keep engaging, and success will follow.